Hello, today we will guide you through how to find personal meeting ID in Zoom. To get started, open Zoom in your web browser and go to the Zoom homepage. This is the main landing area where you can access your account settings and profile information. If you are not already signed in, make sure to log in first so you can view your personal account details. Once you are on the homepage, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation menu. This sidebar contains several options for managing your Zoom account and settings. Scroll down through that menu until you find the option labeled My Account. Depending on your screen size or browser zoom level, you may need to scroll a little further to see it clearly. When you locate My Account, click on it. This will take you into your account area where Zoom stores your personal settings, profile details, and meeting-related information. This section is useful whenever you need to review or update information connected to your Zoom profile. After the account page opens, look for the Profile option and click on it. The Profile page is where Zoom displays the key details associated with your account. This can include things like your display information, user settings, and meeting identifiers. If you ever need to update basic account information, this is also typically where you would begin. Now that you are on the Profile page, scroll down slowly through the information shown on the screen. Your personal meeting ID is usually listed among the profile details, so take a moment to review this section carefully as you move down the page. Scrolling slowly can help ensure you do not miss it. When you find the Personal Meeting ID field, click on Personal Meeting ID. This allows you to view the ID more directly. Your Personal Meeting ID, often called a PMI, is the unique meeting number tied to your account. It can be useful when you want to host meetings using your personal meeting room instead of generating a new meeting ID each time. As a helpful tip, if you plan to share your personal meeting ID with others, make sure you understand when it is best to use it. Since it is tied to your personal meeting space, many people prefer to use it only for recurring or familiar contacts. For one-time meetings, some users choose a separate meeting ID for added privacy and control. And that's it. You have now found your personal meeting ID in Zoom.